Hi, I am sorry I didn't see your response earlier, but I figured I'd go ahead and I just saw it, so I figured I'd make this video. I'm not really going to get into the details of this because it's in the manual. All I got to do is look in the manual. However, I will show you how it's done. So the first thing you want to do is you want to view your object list and you want to import an object, whatever it is, speaker. In this case, I think I'm going to do a pig. Because there's a lot of pigs that show up for concerts at my venue, so I want to make sure that I can insert one of these into the show. So here I'm going to put it right here, and I'm going to say pig. So there's my guy. Okay. So if we look at it from the front, here he is standing right here. So if you see, this is insert object, this is duplicate object, and this is duplicate multiple. So while this is highlighted in red, click on this. Then click where you want to be. So he's at 0, 0 right now. So if I put this right here exactly at 0 on the x-axis, which is red, and on the z-axis, which is blue, which is coming right at us, so hopefully that'll be 0, 0 there. Well, that was close. So here it was 0, 3. So let's just say it's 0, 0. So this is the relative position based on this pig. This is the absolute position based on 0, 0. Okay? So if we're going to do this, we're going to do 5 pigs. Then what you'll see here, I'm going to make this 0. What you'll see here is that you're changing this x-axis, which is the red axis. So these should go in this direction. There should be 5 pigs. Okay? And they're all 10 feet apart, 9, 9, 6, whatever. So the way you can change those things is we'll highlight this, we'll click on this, and as you can see, it's all based on where you click. So if I put this very close, then now you'll see this is actually going up. So if I do 5, they're going to go at an angle because where I clicked was higher than where this pig was. So relative, my click relative to this, okay, if that makes sense. So, but you can override that just by typing the stuff in there. So if we click on multiple and we click on this, then we can say, let's make the x 0 and 0 and 0 and 0 and 0. I don't know why it's doing that, but let's do that. Now this should go up because we said to use the y-axis. All right. Now the cool thing is you can also do this, which, and I'm not really sure what's going to happen here because I haven't really doped this all out, but you can do a circle. So we click here like this, and we're going to say that we want it to be a circle of 50 pigs, and we want it, the center rotation axis is going to be around the y-axis. So we're going to change that, and we're going to make it around the z-axis because I want the circle to be look like that. So there you go. So there's my circle. Okay. Now it happened. The radius and the spacing determines where the pigs lie. So if we wanted to make a tighter one, we click on this, and let's say we put it right here, and then we change the radius to. Let's say we make the radius 10 feet. Let's say 10.5 feet. All right, and we say okay. Now see, it's much tighter. All right, and then the other thing is I think it's all based on like where you click, and you got to figure this out for yourself. But you can do this, and if I click right here, then it's going to make a circle based on where that click was, and the distances and the copies. If I put 500, then it's a lot of pigs. Okay, so you can see how many pigs, and they're just overlaying each other over and over. But the idea is, if you had speakers and you wanted to make 6 speakers in a little arc, so you could say you wanted to go right here. Whoops. You wanted to make a line array or something, and you wanted to go right there, and you wanted to do 6 pigs in a line array, and make the radius 10 feet, Well, that's too much, so let's redo that. I don't know how to determine how close together they are. So let's say 0 here and 0 here. Nope, that didn't do it. So you're going to have to figure out how to do it. The instructions are all in the manual. The best way to do it is click on Help, Contents, go to Objects, Duplicate Object or Fixtures, and it's all right here. Circular duplication, all right? And it kind of just tells you how to do it right here. All right, so I hope that helps.